Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing?
Hello.
Yes,
Great,
I am excited to be here. My goal today is to try to answer some of your questions, to try to get to know you more, and to be of help if I can, right? Because in Atomy, we always help each other. We work together. It's the super synergy of heart. So, first question, I think we have it from, let me see, is it Lila?
Can you please say a few words to those who have just set their feet on the water like us?
So for all the new members, these questions are perfect. I think they all transition together well, right? As new members, I believe that many of you will have your up and downs, right? When you're somebody who's really excited about the business, first time you hear about it and you're 100% sold on it, and then you start going to talk to all your other contacts and realize not everybody is as receptive as you may become a little bit discouraged. And when you're a new member, you have all this passion inside of you and all this zeal to go out and grow and do, and you want to do everything fast, 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 right? What we need is we need for you to really understand Atomy. And I mean more about the company, about why Atomy was created, about CEO Park's vision. Because CEO Park's vision is what? If you read the motto, you understand. He wants to help all the individuals who would not be able to succeed otherwise in any other business. And he did that by creating a free tool. He did that by creating absolute quality, absolute priced items. And he did that by creating systems like this, where we can have this conversation, where we can talk to each other, where we can grow with each other, and where we can help each other become better leaders. Number 2, know that your success is inevitable if you don't give up. If you become a sales master, it's inevitable that you'll become a diamond master. Once you become a diamond master, it's inevitable that you will become a Sharon Rose master. These things will happen if you don't give up. So, new members, build yourself up with all the tools that you need, okay? Go out ready, okay? Don't be those individuals going out to war with just a gun and no bullets. And what that means is try the products, understand the compensation plan, and then use those tools to help other people grow together. So I hope that answers your question. All right, good. So let's go to the next question. I think.
How long did it take for you to receive a Star Master commission or to become a Star Master itself?
Okay, perfect. I don't remember. Let me see. I think it was 4 years, if I remember correctly. But I've been doing the business for almost 9 years now, right? So 8-9 years now. So that time, and I was in the Royal Leaders Club when I was a Sharon Rose Master, and then I became a Star Master. So I think that you all will be able to get into the Star Master and Royal Leaders Club even before me. So keep pushing. This is I'm excited for you all. I can't believe you guys have only been doing this business for just a short period, and already you guys are masterships.
So I am curious because I also have 3 kids. So if your kids do begin to do the Atomy business, what kind of advice would you give them?
I think Atomy is an amazing business that everybody should experience because it teaches you so much about relationships, about yourself, about how to progress and grow and do all these things because you meet so many diverse individuals around you. So my advice, of course, would be to put yourself in that position, right? In that person's shoes, and whatever they respond, however they respond, whether it's negative or positive or whatever it may be, I don't think you should be affected by the way that they respond to you, right? But I think you should be receptive of what they say. So even if a partner is negative and they're not receptive, I think that's still a positive thing because that helps you to grow from their perspective to see maybe why they don't want to do the business or aren't receptive, and that helps you to grow. So whenever you're doing the business, you know, they have the 8 steps to success, right? Everybody knows the 8 steps to success, but there's always the step 0. And if you don't know step 0, then number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 won't matter. And step 0 is what? Be a good person, right? Be a good person. Be somebody who cares for them, right? For the people around you. So that's what I would tell Bryce, right? That's what I would tell Braden. And the only way that I believe that I can show them and help them is by sharing the love of Christ, because I'm a Christian, and by sharing with them what it really means to be servant leaders, to serve others and to love others. And through that, you will be able to grow, and through that, they will be able to create that culture that I was telling you about earlier, and that will attract people. And when you attract people, you create a long-term relationship so that they will be able to continue to do this business with you. So that's what it's about, because CEO Park always says that this business, we're not here for the mentality of using people, right? And if they don't benefit us, we throw them away. That's not what this business is about. But this business is about growing together as a community and helping everybody around us. So I hope that answers your question a little bit, Joyce.
I feel like this is a business which you have to use your words to talk to people a lot, and then so sometimes we got hurt by these words, maybe bad words. So any tips on growing internal strength?
Yes. They say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can never hurt me. That's a lie, right? Words do hurt.
That's a lie. Yes, exactly.
Yes. So a lot of people who say hurtful things are hurting themselves, right? So why are we doing this business? We're doing this business because we want to help, right? We're doing this business because we want to give. And I think that's something that we need to truly understand. And as we understand that, and as we grow, we'll be able to understand those individuals more. But at the same time, there's no reason for you to get a beating, right? If somebody's going to keep being mean to you and keep being negative to you, what did I say? If you want to do the business with somebody, but they don't want to do it with you, you can't focus your energy and time on that one person the whole time. And this is the same situation. But if it's just a one-time encounter, right? Let's say that you went and talked to this person and they hurt you negatively and they said these things to you that were very hurtful. I think it's okay. Why? Why is that okay? Because listen, you're doing this business for your success, right? But it's about moving on with whatever that you need to accomplish to the next person and not being affected by that other individual, right? That's being professional. You put that smile on, open the door, hi everyone, how are you, right? Those are things that you need to develop and grow professionally in, because listen, if you're upset all day, that doesn't mean to give your upset baggage to the next person that you meet. That's unprofessional, right? Because we are professionals doing this business, okay? So I hope that answers your question, Chris. All right, good. So let's go to the next question. I think
my question is, in terms of the Atomy business, which one do you think is more helpful, character or ability?
Character and ability they go together. Watch, because listen, in Atomy, your lack of ability, right, your lack of ability still allows you to build this business, which sounds funny, right? So even though you don't have much ability, the unlimited downline leverage system allows you to leverage other people's ability. But if you have poor character, you scare people away from you. You must have good character, because if you don't have good character, then people don't remain. Your ability is also important. But in Atomy, you don't need any abilities, right? You just need what? You need consistency, okay? Your consistency is your ability. Your consistency to meet and to grow and to help other individuals. That is your ability. And everybody has that ability, okay? Now, character is something that we have to develop. So it's very important to read the self-help books. It's very important to talk with sponsors. It's very important to what? To put your pride aside to lower yourself in terms of what? To be a servant leader. So in Atomy, in our motto, we say what? To serve in humility. Why do you think that's in there, right? It doesn't say to what? Conquer with power, right? It's to serve with to serve with humility. So that's what we want to do. So in this business, as you serve with humility, all these things will follow. So I pray and hope that we all grow in our character so that we'll be able to have more people around us that will be able to help grow the business with us, okay? So I hope that answers your question, Esther, yeah?
Yes, thank you.
Last question we have.
You know how for some Atomy business partners, they can't really live off all the commissions until it becomes a steady income. So I often wonder if I should tell them to do it on the side job or go all in.
Very good. So I think that's a very good question. And I think that question is very subjective to that person's situation. So a lot of individuals, some can quit today because they don't have the financial burden. They're not the main person who needs to be the source of income. And then there are individuals who can't quit even though they are auto sales masters because they have too many expenses. So you can't just quit today because you believe that you are going to become successful in the future with no track record. That's just hopium, right? You're just hoping that that will happen. No, you need data and you need growth and you need to be able to do these things. And lastly, what I want to say is some people are full-time Atomy, but they work less than part-time Atomians. Some part-time Atomians actually work more, right, than some full-time Atomians. So it's not about your title, right? It's not about if you are full-time or part-time. It's about how much of your free time are you putting into your Atomy building business model. So that's the most important thing. So please analyze that with your partners who want to quit and see if they're in a position that really they do need to quit and help them to make each day count with daily goals and make sure that they follow up with you and you follow up with them. Does that make sense? Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for your amazing questions. And I pray that you have amazing success and see you all at the top, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.